Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina. We all know summertime means that those peaches are going to be ripe, and we just love those taste of those fresh peaches. But it's also the perfect time for Firefly, peach sky to be blooming. And look at these beautiful colors. They look just like a peach. This is Yarrow. Yarrow is a great pollinator plant. It's also a good perennial. This plant's going to come back year after year, and I have this in my yard. And the pollinators, the bees that just swarm over the top of this, it's just fantastic to go out there and see all that activity going on as we start to roll into pollinator month. Yarrow is a great plant to put in your yard. It's going to get about 36 inches tall. It has this more ferny or feathery looking leaf to it, so a really cool look with a beautiful flower. And who can resist the wonderful peach? I mean, just look at that color there. So add the yarrow to your pollinator garden this summer.